like food. Me like food. Gonger make food.
I make food.
Place your order if you're lucky. We make food in our foodie truck. Yeah! Oh, the alarm! We got it!
I got it!
Hi, I would like a breakfast made by monsters.
Oh, well, you called the right truck, because we are Monster Foodies!
What I'd like for breakfast is food that's round and flat, like a circle. It's my favorite shape. Could you help me, please?
Well, that's easy.
Yeah.
Cookie, round and flat.
Cookie's not a breakfast food.
It not? That news to me. Nom, 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 nom.
Oh, hello! Pancakes!
Oh, that's a good idea, Gonger.
Yeah.
Pancakes are round and flat like a circle.
Yeah.
Here are the ingredients.
Oh, and the banana.
Yeah, banana, right. Okay, there we go.
And the maple syrup.
Oh, boy,
What?
there's no syrup.
No syrup?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to get the fresh maple syrup. Oh, you know where I get maple syrup from?
Maple trees?
Yeah.
Really? Me was kidding.
I'll show you. Come on.
To the maple farm. We're going to the maple syrup farm. Hello, Mrs. Farmer. We need maple syrup. Can you help us, please?
Well, you monsters came to the right place. This is where we make it.
Oh, do we have to bring the whole tree home?
No, this is only the first step in making syrup. This is called a spile. It's drilled into a maple tree. The sap in the tree drains down this hose and fills up this tank. From there, the sap is pumped into the sugar house. The sap is boiled. When it reaches the right temperature, it's maple syrup. Then, the syrup is poured into bottles and it's ready. How many bottles you need?
Just one, please. Thank you, Mrs. Farmer. We're taking maple syrup back. We got it. Time to make pancakes.
Oh, yeah. Let's check the recipe. 1 cup of flour. Oh, yeah. Ooh, some baking powder. Yeah. Oh, a cup of milk. Oh, yes. And egg. Ooh, well done, Cookie. And a bit of oil.
Now, mix.
Yeah. Oh, mix up. Now pour on the griddle.
Okay, me on. Oh, hey, look at that. It turns round all by itself. Me still no see how banana can be round and flat.
Watch.
Ooh, nice banana slices.
And here. Oh, yeah. And one more. Oh. Yummy. It's ready.
Okay, order up.
Oh. Yeah.
Bye-bye, pancakes.
See ya. Oh, Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
I got this nice for you.
Oh, Gonger. Thank you.
Thank you, Cookie Monster and Gonger, for my round, flat breakfast. Circles are my favorite shape. Bye!
You're welcome. Yeah! Happy Yummy Monsters to the rescue. We make yummy food just for you.